Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to hide the price range for WooCommerce variable products. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log into your account if you're not already, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with hiding the price range. Basically, what we want to do first is open up WooCommerce right here at the left side screen. That's going to enable you to go ahead and start up your new store if you do not already have one, or you can just go ahead and access the settings of your current one that you are using. And now guys, we can go ahead and follow this article right here on how to hide the price range for WooCommerce variable products. This is going to enable us to go ahead and take a look at what we can do to go ahead and find this method. So basically we can follow the steps right here. We can use a plugin. Basically guys, a variation price plugin is going to enable us to use what we need. So what we're going to do is go into the plugin section right here, the left side screen, open up the plugins marketplace, and then search for variation price. So I'm going to search for variation price, and this is going to go ahead and give us all the results right here. And guys, as you can see, this is one of the plugins that they have showed. This is using for WooCommerce, so this is going to enable you to get a lot of advanced options to control how you display the prices. So you can install this plugin right here to use it alongside WooCommerce, and then once installing, guys, you can go and set up however you want to hide your price ranges for variable products. So this is going to enable you to get exactly what you want. You can even try some of the other steps right here, but basically the plugins is going to be the best one for you. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. If it works, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.